Alright, today we are talking about the Dodge 4.7 engines. They make a 12 tooth, which is what you see on the left there, and on the right they make a 32 tooth reluctor, or a ring that goes on the crank, as you can see. That goes on the crank just like you see right here. There's 3 bolts that bolt it in. You've got one right there, one at the bottom, and then one on the other side. Now you can't put these rings on wrong because they will only go on in one position. So you don't have to worry about that. Now, you also, the one on the left is the kit that you can purchase from us, and it is for the older style 4.7s. The one on the right is for the newer style. But if you change that ring that goes on the end of the crank, which means you got to pull the crank out of it, and all out of the vehicle and out of the engine, because there is a casing that it sits in. And also on the upper camshaft, you will see right here, you will see that there's a bolt that holds the cam gear on. So you'll want to replace that too. And the reason that you have to replace these reluctor is because there's a window that counts them, and if you look, they have a difference. They're both in the same position, but you'll see that there's different windows that it counts. And those windows, you gotta put it back over there. It counts those windows as it spins around, and there's a different count on each one. So one of the other questions we get asked a lot is, well, why can't I just use my old one? Well, if you look right here, sometimes they become fatigued, and you can see how this one's broken right there. There should be a ring right there, or a tooth right there, and it isn't. So that is a problem. We do not recommend you use the old ones. I know some people do, but we don't recommend it. There's also on the newer style, you're going to have an EGR block-off plate. The kits come with the EGR block-off plate, comes with the reluctor ring for the crankshaft, and it comes with a new cam gear. So that's everything to take a newer style 4.7 and make it fit into the older style.